time when a generation needed a spark. The voice of dissension of people apart from mainstream mundane media sharks. But now rap music is the mainstream art, a million miles away from its daydream start. And it's all about a paycheck and fake demographics. Punk A&R cats who don't know what's happening. Let's take it back when rap wasn't frontin'. The whole world's listening now, let's tell them something about everyday injustice, violence and corruption. Blue walls made of silence, ignorance and suffering, erosion of our freedom in the name of protection. While big brothers watching us, rigging the elections. These crooked execs undermine our economy, stockpiling fortunes or working man's honesty, and are hardly ever held accountable for their crimes. Transferring cash into the name of their wives, while kids in the hood get a 3-day lifespan for making $50 off of 2 fucking grams. Rockefeller, bitch, I hope you rot in your grave. Cause all you ever wanted was jails full of slaves, a workforce with no rights, 2 million strong. Hey Marvin Gaye, what's going on?
Time to move on, time for change, time to show people we don't need a new solution. No more days standing by while our mamas are crying, cause the law ignores the Constitution. No more lies, no deceit, people dying in the streets while our leaders collect contributions. Yo, I'm tired and I'm sick, got these words on my lips. I bid you welcome to the revolution.
We gotta change the status quo from average Joes who flow about money, drugs, clothes, and hoes, to those who know and educate with pros about the cycle of violence and social woes. We gotta use this music to start refusing to bind to the everyday theme of losing mass confusion. Why should we confuse the masses? We can state points clearly with hip-hop classics. A new religion, new politics, a schism, breaking apart with hard rhythms. Lyrics that invoke thought, provoke questions. Rappers who make sense speak and teach lessons. Yo, the government couldn't stop us. All they could do is sit back and watch us generate profits. Not just for lining our pockets, but for waking up a generation that's unconscious. A sleeping giant, a unified hip-hop voice defiant, refusing to accept things non-compliant. Elated with laughter, spitting out our own agenda, giving middle fingers to the propaganda. No more buying in the media anthems while they pander to special interest groups who spread like cancer, searching for weak minds to enter. We can forget the old ways and days of the past, and no voice, no way to say that we mad. No more, we changing the theme of the plan from bling bling to ding ding. Wake up, man, it's a shake up, man, or call it a shakedown. Whatever you want, call it, I'm shouting it out now, shouting it out loud. Gathering my people, solidarity to make my motherfuckers leave.